Hey, look, this ain't an animated game that you hear about. You know about shake on the warehouse. Sneaking up with a game, bunch of reasonable doubts. Every game time of day. Back in the day, me and cousins playing Jay. In my dream, we can see the light of heart. Me and cousins frontin' back then, how we can be. Homie moving in because it's really hard to chase the dollars. It's a sad world, yeah, but that we live in. Nobody takes the time to read the rhymes they speak in. Buying artists, rapping garbage, moving styles to rap. I think it's bigger than these artists nowadays is cap. Look at the Instagram, even in interviews. You can tell they ain't in it for the culture. Some is really skilled, they can leave the microphone on the melodic chaotic drill. Rap was cool now. It was cool now, but everybody made it rap. And anybody can sound to me that central scene. But we a ghost man. I can give them my recipe on the road and you can stop the host man. I'm not that really though. I just stay to myself. I take time to face it all at once. I'm not talking about the rubber. These bars is communication from the home. I don't chase for the money or the fame. I mean, I can see it. I see it in the game. I love God more because God bless me with the mic. I don't chase for the money or the fame. I mean, hip hop, you see it when it's my way. I speak and you can see it in the game. I love God more because God bless me with the mic. Hey, whatever happens to the craft and the lyricism? When the artist was saying things that they didn't do. Being born and break this and graffiti art. Things you want to play in life and all watching out the school of my lights. Some black artists I think the dynamite. These nights push into rap the southern all. Making them suffer and then you know what they really are. That's like the thing is big. Like a revenge and energy which was it all. They don't tell you stories.
Boy, this is what happens when you have not even 2 weeks worth. But this is what's been happening lately to all these clients. Bam. We've been getting nothing but a lot of rain here in Central Florida. It is crazy how much rain we've been getting. So, people, please keep up with y'all schedule on getting y'all yards cut on time because it's going to get worse. Of course, this ain't no 2 weeks worth, of course, right there. This is more like a month, maybe a month and a half, but still, all that overgrowth, you may have your grass looking like this. Y'all stay tuned. Be blessed. Peace.
I don't chase for the money or the fame. I bleed hip hop. You see it running through my veins, pouring blood, sweat, and even tears for the game. I love God more, cause God bless me to hold the mic.